Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. You may be spending lots more time at home and privacy's a big concern. Guess what? Johnson Hardware has just the products you need that can solve this problem and save space at the same time. You may have a typical opening between two rooms. A wall mount sliding door or pair of doors transforms this open space into two separate cozy rooms. These are perfect for a virtual school or home office. A heavy-duty wall mount door system is perfect for family gatherings or entertainment. The Johnson Hardware is designed to allow heavy doors to glide with ease. One of my favorites, and I've installed lots of them, is the Humble Pocket Door. This space-saving door can be equipped with soft close hardware, so it's as quiet as a mouse. A pocket door is perfect for creating an accessible bathroom because the door disappears into the wall. A multi-pass sliding door is perfect for your new home fitness room. It allows you to have plenty of room for air circulation if your workout gets intense. You'll also discover you've got lots of room to move large exercise equipment. I've installed countless Johnson Hardware products in my own homes and on my jobs for many, many years. Most recently, I actually installed them in my daughter's new home. I do it for a big reason. I want to have the best quality when it comes to door hardware because I don't want to have to mess around with them as I'm living in the home or going back in case a customer has a problem. That's why I've always depended on Johnson Hardware products. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com.
If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.